almonds, baby. Pound of salt. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Northern Buildworks video. So I went ahead and picked up a pallet of rock salt to go ahead and prepare for the rest of the season and our biggest winter storm yet this Sunday. We're looking to have about a foot of snow. This is the only commercial lot that I service, and it's a 1-inch minimum. Obviously it was a lot better earlier in the day, but kind of got a little bit of dusting later in the day, so it looks like this right now. But this is my 1-inch minimum lot that I plow and salt up in the front. So that's all that I do here. I don't do any sidewalks. I don't salt any of this. I just go ahead and plow. But this is one of my trucks right here, kind of what I run the loads with and any hauling. This is my trailer. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got inside of it. So this is how it looks like right now. It's my landscape, hardscape trailer. And right now I'm using it to store my salt in here. So this is what I was using. I picked up a pallet of this and got about 15% left of it. And I picked up this new stuff I tried out. And it works really well with my salter, actually. I think it's a lot better than the salt I was using before, just because this is a lot more of a finer salt and it's like runs through the salter much easier. But so I'm gonna go ahead and load the rest of these salt bags up into my trailer. Got 6 already in and about 43 left to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap my fingers and all of them are magically gonna appear in here. All right, guys. Whew. Got it all loaded in. Man, that's tiring. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how much nicer this salt is right here with my salt spreader. Spreads really nice. This is a commercial broadcast spreader, and it does like all like the fertilizer, seed, grass seed, rock salt. You can like adjust it however fineness you want. Show you guys how it salts. So yeah, it's really hard to see at night, but it's all right. Sometimes it gives me a hard time with like the latch and whatnot, but you can see how easily we chew up through a bag just because how much it spreads. This is what I'm using for right now. Hopefully next year I'll have one of those salt dogs in the back of my bed. So this does for what I need it. Got it locked up. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the rest of this garbage in the dumpster, get my truck washed, and we'll be ready. Oh shoot, I might actually lose the bags. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here, take care of this pallet, and see you guys in the car wash. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys tomorrow morning when we're gonna scrape the snow. I wasn't expecting all this snow right now. I know we got a storm coming in 2 days, but these might be the little snow squalls, you know, warming us up for the big guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys tomorrow morning in the other truck. Peace. What is up, you guys? It is the next morning. We're in the plow truck right now, just warming up. We got about like 3/4 to an inch of snow last night, plus just a bunch of drifting from the wind. Some spots can even be up to 5 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at our properties right now. Hit the commercial, salt the front, and also take you guys on a few residentials. So my plow trips are usually anywhere from 2.5 to sometimes a 3-hour route. So it is 4:25 a.m. right now, and we'll probably be done, say, 8 o'clock. We'll race the clock. So got a little bit of windshield time to the first site. So let's go ahead and get started. I love these single cab trucks, I'm telling you. You know, this truck is, 2 doors, and it just heats up inside so quick. I love it so much. My Ram 2500 takes forever to heat up just because there's just so much room inside the cab that needs to get heated. Oh yeah, look at this. Drifted like, bro, we're covered like 3 inches all around. I'm gonna go ahead and do this part of the parking lot off camera because it's gonna be a little hard to do it while recording. But I'll get back to you when that's done, and then I'll be starting this part, which is a lot easier. But you can see how much snow we got over here. I mean, this is a good amount. Look at that. It's like almost over a foot. It probably is more than a foot. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape it. All right, so this is how we're looking right now. I don't do any of these sidewalks. I was gonna clean up this and the edges before I salt, but this is kind of how it looks like before I salt. See how much is piled up right there? There's a little curb, but we definitely had like 1 foot of snow. It's right over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on this side. I like this side of the parking lot because there's no maneuvering like how there is in here. I did this area as well. Looks pretty clean. But yeah, I'm gonna pretty much start on this end, work my way down, just keep working these chicken strips. Hopefully next year I got myself one of them V plows, and them wide ones, because I'm just doing chicken strips with this whole thing. But hey, she does the job. Pretty much cost me $15 for this plow right here. I got the truck and they already had all the controls and the joystick for the plow, just without the plow. And then I went ahead and found this plow on Facebook Marketplace for $175. The guy wasn't there, so his dad was there, and he helped me load this up on my trailer. And he threw in the joystick as well. And we didn't talk about anything about a joystick, me and his son, but his dad just threw it in. Not sure if he was supposed to or not, but I sold the joystick for $160. So $175 minus the joystick that I sold, $15. This is a $15 plow right here, doing commercial lots. So this is pretty much how it all looks like once it's all plowed. All the snow is pushed up back there. This pile is gonna be like 10 times higher on Sunday from the snowstorm that we're gonna get. All this is gonna get covered 12 to 14 inches. So my plan is to definitely, go through it in increments of like 4 or 5 inches. It's gonna be a Sunday, so they're gonna be closed. But let's go ahead and get some salt out and salt the front lot. I'll show you guys how I do that. Let's see what she does. This is a 100-pound salt spreader, exactly 2 bags. And 2 bags is exactly what I need here. Let's go ahead and open up the latch, start rolling. So we're all done with this property. We're gonna go ahead and let the salt do its job and check back in 2 hours when we finish our residentials. I don't know if I need to do every single residential, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at them right now and hit the ones that need to be hit. Pristine. It's that platinum service. Alright boys, so one of my residentials right here. Looks like it's covered a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and clean her up right now. I'm gonna do this off camera just because ain't no way I'm gonna be able to record and drive and plow at the same time. Alright boys, here's how she looks all cleaned up. On to the next. Dang son. Yo, who's maintaining this building? Come on now. Yo, but boys, we got a Peterbilt dealership right next to our property. I'm trying to snag this next year, low key. I'm not even playing. I'm just gonna tell them I'm gonna buy one of their trucks. I'm gonna need it anyways for my excavation company. All these buildings are in one street. I'm gonna take over all these one day. No, but they do a good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the rest of the residentials. Pretty much all 17 of them, other than the one that I just did. They're all in like a half-mile radius, which is really nice. It's like 2 separate neighborhoods that I do that are really close together. I'm gonna go ahead and turn a podcast on just so I got something to listen to. It's really hard to record these residential driveways, so I might have to invest maybe like into a tripod or something so I can just record myself, pulling in and pulling out of the driveways, pushing the snow. But I'll try and record anything that seems interesting just because they are just driveways. So I got about like a 10-minute drive to get there, and it's really close to where I live, which is great. So I'll see you guys in the next clip, whatever it is. Alrighty guys, it's 7:30 right now and I just finished my last driveway. I'm gonna hop in the diesel right now, give this truck a little break and check out the commercial property that I did earlier this morning. I want to see how that salt is breaking the ice down, if we got any blacktop showing. I don't need the plow anyways, it didn't snow at all. But I'm gonna take the other truck out there and see if we need to throw another bag down. We'll go ahead and do that. So let's get it. Hey dude, look at this guy's truck. It's black. I wish I had the same exact one but red. Oh shoot! What the? Bro, look at that. What the freak? Howie looking here. Looking alright, honestly. Not as good as I thought it'd break down. Alright guys, sorry if this video kind of just seems all over the place. It's kind of working on a time crunch and trying to get everything fit in, you know, right before people leave to work and all that stuff. But went ahead and did one more salt run. I did 1 bag this time instead of 2. So 3 bags total for today. And as soon as I did that, I was there for like another 10 minutes. It seemed to be working really well. The sun came out doing its job. So if you guys watched through this whole entire video, I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe so you guys can stay updated with all the videos that I post. I'd like to, as I said in the first video, to record, you know, as much as possible and document, you know, my journey for this year owning excavating and hardscape company, and I do snow in the wintertime. Leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare everything for Sunday's video. I'm gonna be recording Sunday with the snowstorm. So yeah, stay tuned for that on Sunday. It's gonna be a really interesting video, and I hope, you know, to just get better and better at recording myself and editing and all this stuff to, you know, produce you guys with quality content and all that stuff. So subscribe if you guys like to join the journey, and leave a like. Thank you guys. We'll see you guys in the next Northern Buildworks video. Peace.